This is part 2 of our mini course on dry cleaning processes in semiconductor industry. Dry cleaning processes in the semiconductor industry are essential for removing contaminants from wafer surfaces without using liquid chemicals. These processes are especially useful in advanced node technologies, where precision and material compatibility are critical. There are 3 major categories: plasma cleaning, vapor phase cleaning, and CO2-based cleaning. Plasma cleaning involves high-energy plasmas that react with and remove organic residues, native oxides, and particles from surfaces through ion bombardment and reactive species. Vapor phase cleaning utilizes gas phase chemical reactions to etch or remove specific contaminants without the need for rinsing or drying steps, reducing water usage and minimizing stiction risks. CO2 cleaning uses either cryogenic or supercritical carbon dioxide to lift away particles and residues gently, making it suitable for fragile structures. Together, these dry cleaning techniques support high yield, process integration, and cleaner semiconductor manufacturing environments. Conclusions and future trends. Action plan. To unlock the full potential of dry cleaning in semiconductor manufacturing, a phased action plan is essential. In 2025, immediate steps should include launching pilot programs to test dry cleaning technologies in real production settings. Simultaneously, staff training must be initiated to ensure operators, engineers, and technicians are equipped with the necessary skills and safety knowledge. ROI analysis is also key during this phase to validate cost effectiveness and guide investment decisions. By 2027, the focus shifts to scale up. This means full implementation across multiple production lines, seamless integration of AI technologies for smarter control, and aggressive cost optimization to maximize efficiency. This stage transforms dry cleaning from a pilot concept into a core manufacturing capability. Looking ahead to 2030, the goal is industry leadership. Companies that adopt early and execute well will be positioned to lead in market share, meet aggressive sustainability targets, and serve as hubs of innovation. Dry cleaning isn't just a process upgrade. It represents the future of advanced, clean, and scalable semiconductor manufacturing.